Good morning to all of you once again. I am here with another video, and today we are going to complete the first lesson, which is about evolution of computers. As in the previous videos we had discussed about history of computer, and after that evolution, after history of computers we had discussed about early calculating devices, and in this video we are going to discuss about some wearable technologies and some artificial intelligence which is very popular in these days. So we are going to start with the topic wearable technologies. Now the first thing is, what is wearable technology? Wearable technology क्या है? See, with the with this means wearable, you people are able to understand the meaning of that. Wearable का मतलब होता है पहनने वाला, simple चीज हिंदी में, which is called in Hindi पहनने लायक, means पहनने वाला. So it is quite possible that all of you have that kind of gadgets. They are called basically gadgets, which is basically used by us these days, like smartwatch, digital watch we are using, fitness watches, it is coming. Then here is mentioned that smart jewelry and smart watches, they are basically these days in very popular. आज के समय में ये सारे वीडियोस बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हैं. बेसिकली होता क्या है, these are basically keep the records of our health. Like suppose if you go to buy a, if you are going to buy a smartwatch, that smartwatch will show you the basically your daily activities. वो आपकी daily activities आपको बताएगा. जैसे कि as for example, if you are walking every day, तो how many steps you are walking every day, that can be counted by the smartwatch. वो स्मार्ट वॉच आपको काउंट करके बताएगा कि आप कितने स्टेप्स चले हो. एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट विल ऑल्सो कीप द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दैट एवरी डे. वो आपको, आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट, वो हर दिन का आपकी एक्टिविटी का आपको रिकॉर्ड बताएगा. मीन्स दिस डे और दिस पर्टिकुलर डे, मंडे, वेडनेसडे, Thursday or any day, any weekdays, how many steps you are going through, means how many steps you are walking, and how many, you can say walk is important, means कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, how much. This is basically counted by them. And important thing is, इसके अलावा ये हमें ये भी बताता है कि हमें और कितने steps की ज़रूरत है, हम कितनी कैलोरीज बर्न कर सकते हैं. That can be also done by them. सो वियरेबल टेक्नोलॉजीज आज के समय में क्या है, हमारे लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या है, विच इज़ बेसिकली नीड, बिकॉज आज के समय में वी नो दैट वी पीपल आर बीइंग अ वेरी लिविंग अ वेरी फास्ट लाइफ. हम एक बहुत ही तेज़ लाइफ जी रहे हैं. उस तेज़ लाइफ में क्या है, वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू मेज़र एवरीथिंग. हमारे पास चीज़ें अवेलेबल है मेज़र करने के लिए, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू मेज़र बाय इटसेल्फ. हम खुद से कोई चीज़ मेज़र नहीं करना चाहते हैं आज के दिन. वी पीपल आर बेसिकली डिपेंडेंट ऑन मशीन्स, राइट. सो दिस इज़ वाई wearable machines are very handy these days, very popular these days, and very demanding these days. आज के समय में सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांडिंग है. लाइक यू कैन सी द एप्पल वॉचेस. Some of you have also Noise and all the brands, you have the watches, and they are giving us some specific facilities. Only they are not showing the time and date. They are giving you a particular, giving a proper health detail about your body. वो आपके बॉडी का पूरा मेजर करके देता है. So these are the things can be done with the help of, you can say, fitness trackers, or you can say smart watches. Now after that, here I have mentioned smart jewelry. Yes, in these days smart jewelries are very popular, as you have seen so many videos in but in Indian movies. I am giving an example of that. Hollywood movies, you can see so many videos that they use that kind of gadgets to, you can say, ट्रैक समथिंग और दे वांट टू सर्च समथिंग, वो किसी चीज़ को ढूंढने के लिए या फिर किसी चीज़ को पकड़ने के लिए जो बेसिकली जो पुलिस होती है या फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे स्पाइस होते हैं जो बेसिकली उसका यूजेस करते हैं. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरीज और गैजेट्स आर बेसिकली इन दीज डेज वेरी पॉपुलर. नाउ आफ्टर दिस द लास्ट topic is artificial intelligence. All of you are very much aware about artificial intelligence. सबसे पहली चीज़ की artificial intelligence होता क्या है? As you know that artificial intelligence is very popular in these days, like Siri and Alexa, Google Assistant. They are basically very popular. Because ये popular होने की सबसे बड़ी वजह क्या है? They are basically very फैमिलियर विथ अस. ये हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा फैमिलियर है बिकॉज दे कैन स्पीक आर लैंग्वेज. ये हमारी भाषा में हमसे बात कर सकते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, दे कैन एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग, दे कैन एलिबरेट एंड दे कैन यू नो व्हाट डिस्क्राइब. आज के समय में दे कैन डू एनीथिंग. इफ यू आस्क देम टू एनीथिंग दे विल सिंपली गिव यू आंसर्स. ओनली वी हैव अ इंटरनेट कनेक्शन. So with this they are you know what able to give us the answer. This is why these things are very popular in these days and you can say needy also. आज के समय में इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत भी है. So in artificial intelligence, you know what, this is basically works on machine learning is a based on concept that a machine can build to process data and learn their own. ये प्रोसेस करता है और उसके बाद खुद से सीखता है. किसकी नज़र की मतलब किसके सुपरविजन ने? ह्यूमंस के सुपरविजन. इंसानों ने ही इन्हें बनाया है. बट दैट इज बेसिकली वर्क ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यू नो व्हाट यू कैन से व्हाट दे कॉल इट constant human supervision. Then it had the left to improve chat box. See, this is given and you know what, in the book it is given so many things about chat box and all the things. In these days, I am just giving an example of that. Like you people are seeing so many, you know what, videos, so many ads about Siri or Alexa. See, simply they are asking about the mood and after that they are telling them to play the song. So these are the things which is basically, you know what are happening these days. We people are very dependent on the machines and this is why we people are introducing every day, or you can say every time, new things, new ideas and new technologies for the people, for the betterment for the society. Because of this they are able to understand. Suppose if you know Hindi and if you want to talk in Hindi in Siri or Alexa, they will be able to, they can speak in Hindi also. So these are the things. If you don't know how to type, with the help of this you can simply speak them and they will simply give you the answers. So these are the things. You know what, today they are very popular, very handy. So this was the, I think, last topic. I hope that you people understand. Now some of you had asked me about the questions. As you know that we have an exam on after I think from next to next week. So keep in mind that you should prepare well your objective questions only, and after the I think exam I will conduct a, you know what, maybe I will ask you some questions or I will send you some PDF after the exams, not before that, after that, and you will then after I think you will be able to give the answers. Not now because it is not important or not necessary right now to you know what do like that, because this is a very crucial time for us that we are surviving in Corona. So this is why I think you should leave it, and you know next time after the I think examination I will be surely send you some PDF and then you will be give me answers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.